What is up, guys? Alex Z from Z Cleans here. Gonna be going through a basic wash for you guys so you guys have an idea who I am. First, I am the owner of the company of Z Clean. I just started the detail business just to make a way to make extra money, because who doesn't like extra money? And I also like keeping my cars clean, and you know, I just love cars in general, so any chance I get to work on them. I'm also a full-time mechanic. Any chance I get to work on a car, I absolutely love it, even if it's on my weekends. And yes, I only detail on weekends as a side thing. I'm not full-time, I'm not mobile. I also only do exteriors. I'm not doing interiors yet, just because I don't have the steamer or anything yet. But I do plan on getting all that stuff for you guys. If you guys enjoyed the little montage I have for you guys of me washing my own car. I don't have a front bumper, so it is a little off right now, but I mean, you can still have some clean paint and still look good without a bumper, right? Hope to see you guys make an appointment with me soon. I would love to work on your car. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I am just doing the basic wash. I'm gonna be getting rid of all this dirt. I have my roof wrap black, so you can see super dirty wheels. I have a lot of brake dust on them. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they are super dirty as well. So yeah, I mean, the car's like not in bad shape. I do have some swirls. You probably can't really see them because of all the dirt, but I'm not going to be correcting those today just because I'm on the time crunch. But yeah, today we're just going to be giving a basic wash. Maybe restore the headlights. I do see some yellowing. Oh yeah, this one has a lot of yellowing. So we're going to try to clear those. Like I said, I don't have a front bumper, so I do have to put trash bags over these filters. The reason these are so squished up is because I always turn the car on with the bags over them, and I always forget, so they got scrunched up. Try to cover it as much as I can with the tent. That's about as much shade as I think I could get. It is super bright outside. The sun is beaming, so I'm still going to try to do this because I'm trying to do this as a business, so I'm gonna have to do it during the day. So hopefully this covers as much as it can, and that way the water doesn't dry and leave watermarks. So I have my water buckets. This is my soap bucket with the sponge in it, and this is just a normal water bucket. That's where all the dirt's gonna go. So I put my sponge in there after I'm done like wiping down the car, and then I put it in here to get more soap. I'm gonna grab my sponge with soap in it and start punching down the car. So now that it's all rinsed up, it should be perfect. All dirt should be removed, stains. Scratches, definitely probably not. You would need to do like the paint correction for that, but like bird poop and all that stuff should be off the car already. So now it's time to dry the car. I use a chamois. I'll show you guys right now. They absorb all the water, and this should work perfectly fine. So I'll go ahead and dry the car with this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dry the car with the microfiber towel, like a fluffy one. That way we don't get any water spots, and after that the car wash should be done. It's up to you if you want to add tire grease or tire shine, I should say, to the tires.
Count up the loop, call up the troops. We coming through.
So then with the same microfiber, I'll go ahead and do the wheels. After I did the car, it's gonna come out nice and shiny.
We coming through.
And just like that, both super shiny. Now I'll go ahead and do the other side. So after you're done with the microfiber towel, you should be done. It's all dry at this point. I do need my headlights restored. I might do that right now. And yeah, that's pretty much the basic wash. You can get this whole thing for $30, and I'll do it for you. All you have to do is chill. Wash, pressure washed, soaked, dried, all hand towel dried, and pretty much good to go. A lot better. So after this step, after this first wash, then it would be time to go ahead and start clay barring it and waxing it. That would be the next step up if you wanted to. It is more, but like I said, it's going to come out a lot more glossy, a lot more softer, and it's also really good for your clear coat and your paint. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and hope to see you guys soon. Wheels came out so nice. Jeez. Everything's looking good, sparkling. Perfect.